Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app. You will go to settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you search about Tapon app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will go to your Wi-Fi. You will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.